My name is Megan from the Grand Rapids Children's Museum. This week we are celebrating the museum's birthday, which means we're celebrating play. Today I want to talk about chalk. Have you ever had any little pieces of chalk left over from your sidewalk chalk and you don't know what to do with it? I've got an idea for you. You can turn it into sidewalk chalk paint. All you have to do is gather all of your leftover pieces of sidewalk chalk, separate them in Ziploc bags by color. With a grown-up's help, lay down a towel and use a hammer or a wooden mallet. Smash up all of the chalk into itty-bitty bits in a very fine powder. Another idea for how you could do this is using a mortar and pestle. Next, pour your sidewalk chalk powder into a muffin tin. Experiment with adding different amounts of water for different effects. Now you're ready to paint! Have you ever made sidewalk chalk paint? Send us a picture and show us how you play with sidewalk chalk.